How is the MAOL different from other educational systems? It's about coming to realizations together. The subject matter seems to evolve and get larger and more interesting for everyone. What difference does this experience make in my work? Just being in this creative environment allows me to create, allows me to capture creativity in a way that I never would have been able to before. I've been here through a lot of cohorts. I sit in the back of the room with a camera, and people say, well, you've been doing that for a long time, you know, don't you get tired of it? No, I look forward to it, being present in this conversation with these amazing people. It'll never get tiring for me, and it's completely different each time. I think what I'd like people to know about the MAOL is that it's on the edge of creation. It is about creation. If you want to expand, you can't expand into something that's already been done. You have to expand into the unknown and to play in the unknown. If you like to do that with your mind and your heart and your brain, then that's what the MAOL is all about.